The vision the client had was to replace an existing railing system on the entire building. This is a building that's 30 years old, had existing railings that were installed incorrectly in the original construction. The primary goal was a high-end luxury railing system that was elegant in its aesthetic, that also tied into the legacy colors and style of the building facade, and really that didn't change dramatically the look of the condo complex. The second was a durable railing system, so something that would have zero maintenance issues in the future. And the third was a system that didn't disrupt the existing residents during construction. And that's something we really helped them to foresee and think through of how we could achieve that better.
The design of the ThinkRail product we customized to suit the building and to draw on some of the architectural aspects. Also used a high-end 20-year powder coat paint for a high-quality finish.
The windows in the existing condos, they have a green tint to them. And the condo board was very adamant that the glass railing matched. So we had to work diligently to find a solution to this, and the windows themselves were 30-year-old windows. They were a product that was long since discontinued. So we found through R&D that by laminating two panels of glass together in our railing system and using one ply tinted and one ply clear, we could achieve an almost exact match.
The amount of pieces that Synergi provided for us were of all good quality. Their delivery system, their cooperation with being able to organize and logistically get the material here in a timely fashion and in order so it could be easily put out and maintained and installed in the project.
The biggest thing we've learned out of this project is communication with the contractor. We start with the pre-construction meetings and keeping them informed as to the fabrication and the way it's packaged and shipped is key to our job to make them install efficiently, to make the job a success.
So by far, I think the biggest success factor of this project was Synergi's approach to field dimensioning and layout of the railing system that facilitated a very reduced on-site duration for installation of railings, and in turn reduced the disruption to the residents.
The ThinkRail product is a unitized pre-glazed system that installs with a single bolt connection. So we were able to accomplish a very fast install, which was non-disruptive.
So Synergi's extensive background in renovation projects allowed us to come up with a detailed plan early on to field dimension in the entire building, translate those thousands of measurements into tables and drawings, and actually piece mark every panel of glass, every unitized part of our railing to a specific place on the building. And in conjunction with that, we came up with a jig for the installation crews to allow them to set the substrate pins, in this case a threaded rod, that our railing attached to in the exact right location, down to the 16th of an inch. This allowed for a very quick railing installation, at least twice as fast as traditional stick-built systems. So that kind of turnkey approach, I think, was the biggest success factor, really, in keeping the client's vision of non-disruption.